Hello students and welcome back to our Spot That English Error video series. In this 28th video, we're going to be going back to covering prepositions. We've done this before in previous English error videos, but now I want to focus on an error that I saw in public recently, most likely done on purpose to try to be hip or cool with maybe Generation Z, the younger generations. But it's technically a grammatical error, and we're gonna find out why. I've kind of given you a hint already, but don't forget to add in the preposition. So let's look here. This is going to be a quick video, but this is a good tip for you all to keep in mind when you're learning English and you're spotting these errors in an English-speaking country or elsewhere. Because I was at a basketball game recently, and they had an advertisement for the metro system where I live. And, I was like, okay, this looks cool. Don't be traffic, ride metro. But then I'm thinking that's just a blatant error right here. So don't be traffic. It's like don't be naive or don't be cool or don't be uncool. Don't be traffic. It does not make sense. But I understand what they're saying. It's kind of like kind of slang for don't be uncool. Don't be making a mistake here. Ride metro. We're missing a key preposition, and I'm sure you've guessed it already. But what we're missing is in, right? Don't be in traffic. So I'm going to make that clear here by giving you guys a hint. Where do you think it should go? It's going to go here. Don't be in traffic, right? And this is key. Now, it would be undercase in this kind of, even if they're advertising, it'd be undercase. So don't be in traffic, ride metro. So don't be traffic does not make much sense. People will understand you if you say this, but if you're going to take public transit, a bus, a train, or a shuttle, you're gonna be let's say not a bus per se, but if you're gonna take public transit, meaning a metro or a bus that has its own express lane, which is true, you're not going to be in traffic. Or you're driving a car, right? So if you ride the metro, if you ride the subway, if you ride the tube, wherever you're going with public transit, underground, you're not going to be in traffic, right? So don't be in traffic. And I think this is key for the placement as well. So remember, the placement is going to be here. Don't be in traffic. It's not going to be don't be traffic or don't be traffic in. It's going to be don't be in traffic. So this is very simple, but I think they did it on purpose. They should know that the preposition will go after the verb to be and before the object or the or the thing that we're talking about, which is traffic. Nobody likes to be stuck in traffic when you're driving, or if you're even on a bus or a shuttle or in a ride sharing, you're going to be stuck in traffic. But if you're on the metro or the subway, you're not going to be in traffic. So remember, I just saw this was a little bit silly. I saw this at a basketball game, and this is an English-speaking city or country that I'm in, right? So I think they did it on purpose, but they're like, don't be uncool, don't be naive, don't be wasting your time, don't be in traffic, ride metro. And they could have just did don't be in traffic. They don't need to mess up the grammar here. But it's kind of like when you hear this hits different, or be different. No, be differently, or it hits differently. Don't be in is key. Don't be in the bus, don't be in the car, don't be in traffic, don't be in a hurry. Okay, so in is key. Just before we go, let me give you another example similar to don't be in traffic. You could say don't be stuck in a road, don't be in the line. So in is key here. These are two examples that I like. Let me see where I can place them. All right, this is okay. Don't be stuck in the road. Don't be in the line. Ride metro. Something to that effect. So there's different ways they could have said it, but the key is you want to have in, right? You want to make sure the in is there. Don't be stuck in a row. Don't be in the line. Let me just highlight this here with another. Oh. Anyway, you all at home know what I mean, but the key is don't forget the preposition. Don't be stuck in a row. Don't be in the line. Ride metro. And don't be stuck in traffic is another way we could say it. But anyway, I wanted to do this quick Spot That English Error series video to remind you all, don't forget your prepositions, okay? It's don't be in traffic, ride metro, and that goes for on and at. So remember, it's not just in, but we also have on or at related to traffic or other similar, talking about public transit or taking the bus. Like on the bus, at the car, what have you. So there's other prepositions that we can use. On, at, in are all very similar. So remember that as well, folks. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you see something that looks a little strange, point it out. Try to correct the grammar. That's a good way to learn English, is to just see if there's errors that you can spot when you're in public. And I see it all the time. And I see it in my own country or city, and I see it in other places too. And it's not a bad thing, but we need to correct these errors. We need to be better. We don't want to be lazy. And you're not lazy if you're watching this video. So remember, don't be in traffic. And I'm not saying you should ride the metro because it might be as slow as traffic. You never know. But anyway, remember your prepositions. Don't forget to add in. Don't forget to add in the preposition, right? Add in the preposition, whatever it is. In, at, on, but in this case, in the preposition. Don't be in traffic. And if you want, ride metro. So again, my name is Ben with EnglishFromA2Z.com. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to this video, and I'll see you all soon for another Spot That English Error video in our series. Take care now. Bye-bye.